Do you know how to make banana bread? No, me neither. So we'll be making banana bread for the very first time. My goal for this is just to mix up the wet ingredients separately and the dry ingredients separately, mix everything up together, throw it in a baking pan, put it in the oven, hope for the best, it comes out good. And if it doesn't come out good, it's gonna be on me, I'll be the one eating it. So, but I have hopes that it's gonna come out good. Also, it's funny how I don't really like bread. I only eat bread as a last resort. Not a fan of bread, I'm sorry. I'd rather eat something else. But anyways, so let us dive into this video. Trust me, the ingredients you need for this banana bread is something you have in your kitchen. Just check. You'll be needing flour. You'll be needing some sugar. A lot of people use brown sugar, but at the moment I don't have brown sugar, so I'm using what I have. You'll also be using a baking soda as well. You'll be having some just teaspoon of salt. You have 2 eggs, which is this. I already break them in this bowl. You'll be needing some butter as well. And of course, the queen of the show, you'll be needing some ripe banana. Make sure it's ripe, like if possibly overripe will be even better. Some whisker, measuring cup as well. I have the bowl, and of course I have my baking pan I'll be using to make I'll be pouring in my mixture into it. Funny enough, I'm actually skeptical about this because it doesn't have yeast, and I know for bread you need yeast for it to rise. So finger crossed this rises, and if it doesn't, I'll be eating it. First thing first, I'm actually just going to beat this egg and make sure it's well beaten properly. I'll be going in with the the wet ingredients first. I'll be adding my butter firstly. Be adding a cup of sugar, just not too much. To this, into this, and one more. I hope this is not gonna get too sweet, honey. I am already getting scared, to be honest. Using 1/4 teaspoon of salt, so just a little bit, to be honest, not too much. Exactly this is enough. Let's whisk with this. This is actually going to take time, to be honest. So now that I've already mixed up my sugar and my butter together, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to move on to the banana part. So what I'll be doing is just trying to crush up the bananas and make it as fluffy as possible. So I'm only using 2 bananas, so I'm not doing too much. See, the riper the banana, the better it is. Oh, I don't know. I just guess. So these are the 2 bananas in this bowl. What I'm going to do is just try to crush it. All right, so my banana is already well mashed, so I'm not doing too much, to be honest. I don't want it to be too smooth. So what I'll be doing is adding into this bowl of the mixture of the sugar and butter we did earlier. So I'll add that to this. Also, I'll be adding the egg as well into the mixture. This is what we're looking at the moment. So I'm going to mix up together. This is what we're looking at the moment. I think it's like this because of the butter. So but then while I wait to get that one done, what I'm going to be doing is mixing up my dry ingredients because I feel like I'm almost done. So I'll be using 2. So this is 1 cup of flour. I'll be using 2 cups of flour. So this is the second cup. As you can tell, I'm using 1 cup, so about 2 cups of flour. I'll also be using 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda will be added into the dry ingredients mixture. So just mix this. You can't really tell any difference between the baking powder and the flour itself. So I think this is already well mixed up. I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to go back to my batter and just try to see what I can do. While I wait for that, I'm just going to preheat my oven. So just wait for it, and we're almost done pretty much, to be honest. Right, back to this again. I don't think this is gonna go beyond this, to be honest. I'm not seeing any difference. But you know what? Let's set these two aside and try to get our pan ready. I'll be using this parchment paper. Before I forget, I'll be adding my vanilla extract, and I'll be using half a teaspoon of this. So I'm gonna add this to that. And just mix this up together. I feel like this gives it a different look. Also, the smell, I wish you guys can smell this. The smells so good. I love this. Anyways, I actually ran out of patience. Like I said, I don't think this is gonna go beyond this. Nothing is changing. So what I'll be doing is just add my dry ingredients, so which is my flour and the baking powder, well mixed together. And let's mix. What? That's the sound. It is ready. The oven is already preheated, so I am ready to pour in my mixture into the pan and bake. Okay, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready? We want to choose now. Our mixture is ready and ready to go into the oven. I don't know. Should I put it down? I guess I'm just gonna have it down. And we're gonna bake 50 degrees at the moment. Okay, we'll be back. Guess what time it is? The timer is off. That means the bread is ready. Guys. Oh, okay. All right. Oh my God. Can you see how soft that is? It's a little bit too brown, but it's okay. Oh my God. Wow. Did you see that? Wow. Can you see the smoke? Try. Wow. And it is very soft, like very soft. Oh my God. I swear to God, I wish you guys can taste this. I swear it is so good. I don't want to swear. It is so soft. Look. Oh no, I did great. I know I said I don't like bread, but this is good. No cap. This is really good. I'm so proud. As someone that is trying this for the first time, and this came out so good with the taste, like not too sweet, not bland. It's just perfect. And because no, it's too brownish at the side, like at the bottom, but it's okay. I can always, scrap this out. But look at this. Look at this. I'm officially a baker at this point. I hope I'm able to convince non-bakers out there just like me, explore, be creative, try things that you think you cannot do, and it can always come out good, right? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.